Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your contacts to your various clients and customers into your QuickBooks Online account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your customers into your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that having everything in one central location can help speed up your day. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload your customer list, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on menu, the little arrow next to it. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to hover over customers and leads and then click on customers. Once you do that, you want to click on this green button called import customers. Okay, next the upload screen pops up. So they do let you know it should be in CSV or Excel file. If you need help converting that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But I'm going to go ahead and click on browse and then choose my customer contact list. Okay, I went ahead and chose my customer list that we're going to import. And then you want to click on next here on the bottom right. Okay, next you want to go ahead and map out the data. So we're going to click here and then we're going to choose name. Okay, now it looks like the email already matched up, street address already matched up, cities matched up, and zip code. So once you've lined up all of the data, you want to go ahead and click on this green next button here. Okay, next it's going to show all of your customers that we're going to be importing. So go ahead and look through it, make sure it looks all right, and then click on import. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added in these 3 customers into our QuickBooks. So if we want to go ahead and send them invoices or send them a statement, we can go ahead and do that directly from QuickBooks now. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your customer list into QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.